Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your account in your Fiverr. So in order to delete your account, you first of all need to be in the dashboard and you just need to go ahead and tap on your profile. And once you're there, just go ahead and search for settings. The settings is right below refer a friend. So just tap on settings, and once you're there, you'll be able to see account deactivation. So it says over here what will happen when you deactivate your account. It says that your profile and gigs won't be shown on Fiverr anymore, and your active orders will also be cancelled, and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs. So guys, you need to consider very carefully on why you want to delete your account, because your gigs will also be deleted with them, and there's almost zero chance you'll be able to reactivate them. So after thorough consideration, you've decided that you're leaving, then you just need to choose a reason. So go ahead and tap on whatever reason it is you're leaving, and after that, just tap on deactivate account and your Fiverr account will be deactivated. So guys, that's how you delete your account in Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.